2100, Earth gleamed like a jewel of innovation and resilience. Its surface a harmonious blend of technology and nature. Cities, once choked by smog and congestion, now thrived as bastions of sustainability, with skyscrapers cloaked in greenery and bustling with life, both human and botanical. Solar panels and wind turbines dotted the landscapes, while clean, renewable energy powered the world, making oil and coal relics of the past. Transportation had been revolutionized. Autonomous vehicles glided silently along the ground, while above, drones and flying cars dotted the skies, reducing traffic and pollution. The advent of hyperloop systems had made long-distance travel a matter of minutes, bringing distant communities closer together. Climate change, the defining challenge of the previous century, had been met with unprecedented global cooperation. Through innovative geoengineering and a commitment to zero emissions, the worst impacts had been averted. Cities once threatened by rising seas now boasted protective barriers and floating districts, marvels of engineering and testament to human ingenuity. Healthcare had transformed, with breakthroughs in genetics and nanotechnology, eradicating diseases and extending human lifespans. Aging was no longer a decline, but a new stage of opportunity and growth, with centenarians as healthy and active as they were in their youth. Society had evolved. Digital connectivity and augmented realities had created a global village where cultural exchanges and communication flourished. Education was accessible to all, facilitated by AI tutors and virtual classrooms, preparing the next generation for a future we had only begun to imagine. In the stars above, humanity had reached out to the cosmos, establishing colonies on the Moon and Mars. These outposts were not just for exploration, but symbols of our enduring quest for knowledge and the unyielding spirit of adventure. The world of 2100 was not without its challenges, but it was a testament to what humanity could achieve when united by common goals. It was a world where technology, nature, and society existed in balance, a bright beacon of hope for the future.